In November 2022, OpenAI launched ChatGPT to the public, and this move created massive waves. It fundamentally changes how things in the world work, redistributing wealth, and it marks the beginning of a new era, the AI era. Right now, there are two things happening at the same time. Companies couldn't find enough people who know how to use AI, and more people are getting unemployed. Is this just a coincidence, or is this about getting to know more AI tools to stay relevant? Or something bigger is happening? Let's take a closer look into this battle between humans and AI. Before we start, I want to give you guys a quick context on where the information of this video come from. I participated in an AI seminar called Future Proof 15. It was hosted by Sincho Daily and Talent Chrome. So Sincho Daily is one of the most renowned media platforms in Malaysia. I believe most of us know about them. While Talent Chrome is a government agency under Human Resources. They are focusing on developing skilled talents to meet Malaysia's economic growth. So the seminar invites leaders from different industries and insightful teenagers. Yes, I'm one of them. Let me be proud of myself just for a second. So it's basically a deep talk on debating different possibilities of what could happen in employment and opportunities with the evolution of AI. So what I'm sharing is a combination of what's discussed in the seminar along with my own perspectives. In many areas, AI has already outperformed humans. For example, information processing, mass content production, multi-version testing at scale, pattern recognition, and 24/7 execution. To put this into simple terms, the industry and role that is affected includes marketing, design, customer service, when AI can cover 70 to 80% of the basic communication, admin jobs, and even finance and medical industry. While this is not saying that we will soon have an AI as our doctor, but things like medical image diagnosis are now performed by AI. Back then, this was a real working position where people get paid for. It's now replaced by fast, cheap, and efficient AI. So here's the fact that we need to face. As long as a task is repetitive, predictable, or data-heavy, AI will outperform humans. Let me give you another example in my own field. Back then, in the team, we need to have a few talented people with good creativity, great writing skills, high education level to create enough content. Well, now I just need one person with good judgment and taste to create hundreds of content strips in a single day. That's only 10 to 20% of manpower needed from before. So that's the first major gap. Why more people are getting unemployed? Because we simply don't need so much manpower as before. But if we look into the other side, if AI allows you to work faster, then can you create 10 times more value than before? Because that is something the market will start looking for. Second, the importance of decision making. AI breaks the traditional career ladder. In the past, you graduate, you get into a company, and your boss asks you to do tasks like key in data, generate report. Nobody likes to do it, but that's how you gain your experience and your reputation in the company. After a few years, your boss finally gives you more important tasks where you get to make decisions. But now, the junior ladder is disappearing. People no longer get to gain experience from basic tasks. It directly jumps to the part where bosses are hiring people that can make good decisions. We cannot afford to be mediocre anymore because now boring, low-value tasks are for AI to perform. So in the future, what truly matters is not how skilled or talented or hardworking you are, but it becomes, can you make the right call? And are you willing to take responsibility for it? There is a very interesting question at the seminar yesterday. Everyone says autonomous driving will eventually replace human drivers. But what happens when an AI causes an accident? Who is responsible? The car manufacturer, the AI company, developer, or no one? So here is the point. Because AI can make decisions, but it doesn't take responsibility. So no matter how advanced AI becomes, there will always be a final layer. That requires a human to decide and a human to take the consequences. Because in the end, humans are the one accountable for the outcome. But decision making is not the only power shifting. There's another layer, influence. And we will look into it. Let's think about this. Before social media existed, before TikTok, Instagram, and all these platforms, most of what people believed came from newspapers and TV. Back then, whoever controlled the media controlled the narrative. But the digital era changed that. Now everyone with a phone and internet can become a content creator. Everyone can speak and everyone can influence. But here's the real question. When everyone speaks, who actually gets heard? Because attention is limited. And in today's world, whoever gets the most attention becomes the voice for a group of people. That's why the influence of mainstream media has slowly declined. Not because it has disappeared, but because it has lost its monopoly over attention. While with the AI era, things are going to change again. We are starting to see AI influences, content that produced at scale, faster, cheaper, endlessly. Information is no longer scarce, it is overflowing. So even you are not a content creator, this still matters to you. Because what is shifting is not just the content, it's about who gets to shape what people think. And now, AI can generate accurate information, perfect visual, endless variations of content. So in a world where everything looks perfect, everything sounds right, everything is optimized. What actually stands out? Is it aesthetic creation? Or is it our voice? Well, there is something that AI cannot replace, at least for now: human warmth. We feel something special when we are with our friends and family, a sense of connection, comfort, belonging. We don't get that from a screen, we don't get that from AI. Because beyond efficiency, what really shapes human relationships is emotion. AI can help you get things done. But between people, sometimes it's not just about getting things done, it's about how you make others feel. Tone you use when you speak, how you handle disagreements, how you respond when things don't go your way. All of this determine your relationships, and your relationships often determine your opportunities. Because in reality, your network is not just about who knows you, it's about who is willing to support you. And that comes from something AI doesn't have: real human experience, real emotion. So while AI is still optimizing efficiency, this is something you can still leverage in your career. Maybe next time, instead of another Zoom call, you meet your client in person. Because sometimes the difference is not in the proposal, it is in the connection. AI can be perfect. Perfect answers, perfect visuals, perfect calculation. But perfection doesn't create connection. Because what makes people stay and trust you is not perfection, it is presence. What we discussed in the video today is based on what we know. But the truth is, no one can predict the future like 100%, especially in a new era where things are still unfolding, everything remains uncertain. So what we call as human advantage today might not exist in the next few years. This is a possibility that we have to acknowledge. I would like to quote something shared by a participant, Mr. Paul. The world is built for humans, and AI is built for humans. If we can all agree on that, if we can put human in the center, not just the ones that empower, but also the ones that need to be protected, then no matter how the technology evolves, the future can still be something we all can benefit from. But whether that really happens, we'll see. Before we end the video, there is an interesting question I would like to ask you. If AI is meant to be a tool to assist and humans are meant to lead, then every time before you look into your ChatGPT or before you prompt any AI, do you already have in mind of what are you trying to achieve? Or do you let AI lead the decision? Because this small habit might slowly redefine the boundaries between using AI as a tool or getting replaced by AI. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below.